Have you used the Instagram join chat feature yet? Keep watching this video and I'm going to show you how to use it for your business. For more business and social media advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video every Monday. I'm Jamara Diggs and I help coaches, consultants, and professional service providers use social media to attract their dream clients by positioning themselves as the expert. If you want to know how to increase your Instagram engagement, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram join chat feature in your stories, and I'm also going to show you 4 ways to keep those members engaged. The Instagram join chat feature allows people who view your story to request to join your private group chat, all within that story. Now, before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to create one right now. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and create an Instagram story just like we are doing regularly. So we're just going to go ahead and go to our stories. Hi, Ashley. Well, you know what? I won't do that to Ashley. I'm going to go ahead and just add something, and then I'm going to, so just take a picture or upload something, and then go to the little sticker icon in the top right, and you will see this chat feature right here. Press that. Go ahead and give the chat a name. This is also going to be the title of the chat in your DMs. Okay, so let's say this is going to be Instagram chat Q&A. Oops. Wow, I can't even find the A. Okay, here we are. Q&A. Okay. A&A, what is happening to this? Y'all are gonna see, y'all see me struggling doing this. Oh my gosh. Okay. You can also go ahead and change the colors all you want. We're gonna go ahead and do this one. Cool. And now you're good to go. You're just gonna press, go ahead. You're gonna press next. And now it's posted. So what people are going to see, people are going to be able to go on your story and actually request to join it just like that. Now, if someone is like joining the chat and they don't want to, then they can always just go back and not request it anymore and just unselect it. A few things to remember is that anyone that views your story will be able to request to join, but at the end of the day, you're able to choose who you want to be in the group. And you're only able right now to allow 32 people in the group. One of the ways that you can start using this feature is around big events or promotion pushes that you have, like a launch of something. So one of my favorite people in the world, her name is Misty Jane, and she has this event called Backroom Beauty Talks. It's an event where hairstylists come together, learn something, they build a community together, and they just hold each other up and support one another. And what Misty has done is that she has made a group just for it, right? And so in the group, you have all these ladies in there supporting each other, asking questions, answering those questions, looking for support. And Misty's also able to hype up the next event, right? And so she's able to show behind the scenes. She's able to ask them questions about what they want to see, what questions do they have what questions do they have to ask the guest speaker? And so it's such a great way to kind of get people engaged, get people hype about an upcoming event or product launch. And so take Misty's example and use it for your own business. So is this making you think of your next launch? Let me know what ideas you thought of in the comments below. The first tip that I want you to take away is to not make your group too general. When a group is too general, it kind of makes it hard for someone to determine whether or not they want to join it. And then if they do join it, they don't really know what to say or what to talk about. And so you kind of taking the lead there and being able to say, this group is going to be about this subject, you're going to be guiding your members into what they should be asking, what should they be posting in there. And it's going to really create a better environment, a more supportive environment. The second tip that I want you to know is you can share links inside these private messages, okay? So as we know, Instagram does not like you adding links to posts because you can't, right? So DMs and the link in your bio and your IGTV video description is the only areas where you can put links somewhere. Okay, so take advantage of your private groups. So whenever they join, maybe you can share relevant blog posts. Maybe you can share relevant like videos that you've done. Any type of like links in there is going to work, and it's going to help you kind of get more engagement because you're answering those questions that people have. The third tip is to pay attention to the conversation. I do not want you to just make this group and then once the group is done or once like your event is over, you just kind of just let it die. People are still excited to be in that group for a reason, right? They haven't chosen to leave yet, so I don't want you to choose to leave yet. So what I want you to do is look at the conversations that people are having. Look at some of the questions that they're asking. Can you actually take those questions, one, answer them inside the group, but also can you take those questions that they're asking and create a bank of content ideas for your external audience, right? So use this private group to your advantage. Thanks to your new community, you now know their main concerns and pain points, and you can use that as a sample size for your actual audience outside of that group and start serving them and really diving deeper into helping them. And lastly, the fourth and final tip is to not let your group die. You've taken out the time to build this group. I want you to start leading it and being the facilitator of it. So if you could, ask some questions every maybe 1 or 2 days to get the conversation going. Some ideas could be you asking them what their wins are for the week, asking them what tool do they prefer over whatever tool that you're using, right? It could be something as simple as you asking everyone to just pop a GIF or a GIF into the DM to kind of show how their day is going. Something as simple as that is going to keep you top of mind and keep this community keep on building more and more and more. If you want to start getting clients with your social media strategy, then I want you to take advantage of my free training called Posting for Profit. In that training, I'm going to show you how to save time, eliminate burnout, and make more money with social media. The link to that training is in the description down below. If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and tagging me on Instagram with this screenshot. Don't forget to comment down below with what you're launching next. I would love to know and cheer you on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Are we ready? See. Okay, perfect. Ew. Okay. Yeah, I know. Ah, man. Yeah, okay. Girl, you just, okay, anyway. Just to put a bow on it, okay? Oops, we need to probably delete some of these. Fly away. Blah. Get out of here.